Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Envato Elements in Capcut. So first thing that you should do here is we have to open our Capcut application and of course open any of our web browser, and we have to go to the Envato website. Okay, so let me just open my web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you'll then just have to type out Envato Elements, and then once you're here, you will then just have to log into your account, and then you have to remember that you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access the elements or download the elements or the templates here in Envato. Okay, so I have subscribed to a plan. That is why I can now access the elements that I can use for my videos that we are going to use in Capcut. Okay, so we have here stock video, video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, and more. So when we close this one and we are going to scroll down, so right here we have the different categories. So we have broadcast packages, elements, infographics, logos, stings, openers, product promo, titles, video players, and more. And for the application supported, we have the After Effects. We also have the Premiere Pro and more. So let's see, we want to use this element, so make sure to select the elements in the category section, and right here the right side you'll be able to see here now the elements that we can use. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this element, so you have the choice to preview this element first before downloading this one. So if you think this element or this transition is good and you can use it on your videos in CapCut, then all you have to do is to simply click on the download option, and then you have to save it in your folder. Okay, so right here we have the application supported, the required plugin, and then the commercial license. Okay, so let's go back right here and try to see more elements that we can use. So for example, this one, so you want to use this light effects, so you can click on the full screen option, so you can preview this template, and then if you think this template is good for your video, so you will then just have to click on download. And right here you can create a new project, or you can save this one to your existing project. Then after that, just click on add and download. Okay, so after that you will then just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you have to save it in your computer's folder. Okay, so right here after that just click on save, and then once you downloaded this template, okay, so before we go to our CapCut application, the next thing that we should do is we have to extract the zip file. Okay, so I'll go to a computer folder, so I have created a folder for Envato. Okay, so what you're going to do is to right click the zip file that you have downloaded and click on extract all. Okay, and then once you click on the extract all option, you'll be able to see this page. Okay, so I already extracted this file, so what I'm going to do now is to open my CapCut application. And as you can see right here, I already imported some of the files or the effects that I need to use. But of course, you will then just have to click on the import option right here. Okay, and then go to your files, and then you have to select your main video first. Okay, and then you will then just have to drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then let us try to play this video if it is working. Now that the main video is good, so all we have to do is to drag this cursor at the very beginning, and let us try to import the effects or the elements that we have downloaded from Envato. Okay, so just click on import and then go to your Envato folder, and since we already extracted the zip files, we can now see the videos or the light effects that we can use. Okay, so just make sure to go to this folder right here. Okay, so just go to the Premiere Pro and go to the assets, and then right here you just have to select all of the elements that you want to use. Okay, so just click on the elements that you're going to use, and then after that just click on open. Okay, that's right, so just click on open, and then after that you'll then just have to select the elements that you want to use. So you can drag the elements one by one and put it above your main video. Okay, or you can select all of the elements all together, and then you can drag them all together right here at the very top of your main video. Okay, and then once you do that, the next thing that you should do here is we have to blend these effects to our main video. Okay, so as you can see, when we play the video, our main video has been covered by the effects that we have added. So what we're going to do is to simply click on the effects that you have added and go to the blend section right here at the right side, and then you have to select screen. Okay, so when we try to play this video, as you can see right here, okay, so it is not the same earlier because we have successfully blend these elements to our main video. Okay, so when we try to adjust this one, for example, you would like to adjust a specific element, so all you have to do is to simply click on it, or simply go ahead and add another element from your imported files. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, I just wanted to add this one element and put it right here. Okay, so you just have to do the same. You just have to click on that specific element and go here at the right side, go to the mode section and select screen. So when you click on screen, as you can see right here, you have successfully blended this element to our main video. So since we have added this element all together earlier, I'm now going to break this down into different parts. So I'm going to select this element and drag it right here, and then this other one is here. Okay, so since we already blended all of these elements earlier, so we don't have to go to the mode section anymore. Okay, so we have now a different light effects or elements for our video here on Capcut. Now if you think these elements is not enough for your video, so you can go back to Envato and then just have to do the same. Just have to find another template or element that you can use in your video in Capcut. For example, I'm going to try to download another video. So for example, I think this one is better. So for example, this one. So all you have to do is you just have to simply click on it and then just click on the download option. Okay, and then after downloading this file, you just have to put it in your folder, and then after putting it in your folder, you just have to extract the zip file so you'd be able to get the elements or the templates so that you can use it in your video in Capcut. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.